Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can clear cache in your Google Chrome in your desktop or PC. So first of all, if you would like to clear the cache, you're going to have to simply launch your Chrome browser. And once done, you will have to access settings. So select three-dot icon, scroll all the way below, select settings. Under settings, select privacy and security. Here you will see delete browsing data at the first option. Click onto it. And then you will see browsing history, cookies and other site data, or cached images and files. If you would like to just clear the cache, check these boxes and uncheck others. If you would like to delete your browsing history, delete the cookies and other site data, check all these three and select the time. If it's going to be last 15 minutes, last hour, 24 hours, all time, or you can select more and add some custom date. Now I'm gonna select, let's say, simply 24 hours. Select the cached images and file, and all you have to do is confirm the action. And as you do that, your cached images and files will be deleted. Thank you for watching.